everyone, it's Nicole, and today is the May Boxycharm unboxing. I actually did a video collab with my friend Makeup by Emily19 on her YouTube channel of us opening our Boxycharms together and just, comparing of what we got. But of course, I want to put it on my channel as well for y'all to see the box that I got in case y'all didn't see that video. And like I said, if you want to see another Boxycharm video of what other products you can get in the box, head over to Makeup by Emily19 channel and she will have it. She'll probably either put it down below or like in that little eye icon somewhere. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Before I say anything, it's currently 11:52 or 53 p.m. and I am tired. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So the first thing is the card, and the theme this month is make waves, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products on the back, of course, with the price. So I'm just gonna go in blindly and get everything. So I got the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, and there was 3 different shades, which was fair, light to fair, medium to tan, and then I forgot the other one. For whatever reason, I got medium to tan. I don't know why, because I'm not medium to tan. But anyways, this is what the palette looks like. You open it, there's a nice mirror, and you get 3 shades. So the first one is called Seclusion, and they're really soft and buttery. By the way, they're really nice. Then you got Isla, and I know it's Isla because of Sims, I remember. And then I got Toasted. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of all of these shades, to be honest. I have been, testing out, of course, and the shade I've been going for mainly is Seclusion. But tonight, I'm actually wearing all 3 of them on my cheeks, and I kind of like that a lot better. So maybe that is what I'll do. They have a little bit of a sheen to it, not too much or anything, but it's somewhat there. I need makeup wipes. Like I said, is it my favorite blush thing in the world? No, but then again, I'm just now getting back into blushes. So it's a good palette for traveling and everything. It's just a good palette. So this retails for $22. So far that's already more than the box. Next, we have this Pure Cosmetics eyelash curler, which I need to clean. But this is what it looks like. It's like a holographic eyelash curler. I have one already. It's by Tweezerman, and I love this because you can just really get in there and really tight do it, where this one's kind of you can't as much, but it's still a good one. I used this today to actually curl my lashes. My lashes right now look a bit clumpy. We love that. But it does work really nice. Is it the most favorite eyelash curler I've ever tried? No. But like I said, I like it because it's pretty, but it does do its job. And this retails for $18. Next, we have this. This is the Oriza Beauty Lip Gloss in Champagne Cocktail. I actually have this on top of another lipstick right now, but of course you'll have the swatch. In here, it looks like a peachy pinky lip gloss. I think it's really pretty, but I will say when I put it on my lips, I can feel the glitter, the glitter's not finely milded or anything, but I mean, it's really pretty. I need to get a closer look. It's not, I have a liquid lipstick on top, so I don't know if it's the liquid lipstick that is sticky or if it's this. I haven't really worn this too much because I forgot it in my box, so I'm actually gonna put it in my lip collection and try her, but I mean, it looks pretty, and it smells like vanilla, coconut. Let me see if it says. It says it's also waterproof, which is very interesting to claim. No, it doesn't say anything, but this retails for $14.99. Again, I think it's really pretty, especially on top of this, so I'm gonna put her in my collection and actually give her a try again. I really don't know what I was thinking. This just wasn't in my collection to try, but it's not a bad thing. Next, we have this. This is the Ciate London Luster Cream Eyeshadow in the shade Cupid. Now, I'm actually excited to get Ciate stuff because I've been wanting to try Ciate. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's like a pinky purple. I actually have it on my inner corner right here just because, you know, I came home from work and I didn't want to like over make a new look. This is what the wand looks like. It looks like this. It's bent, which is really nice. You get a lot of pigment. Gee, oh, I just got that everywhere. We love that. So this is what it looks like. It looks really, really pretty. Now, sometimes it looks like it's purple, and then sometimes it looks pink because it's like, I guess duochrome is the word. Like on camera now, I just see purple with reflexes of pink. But in person, I see pink with a little bit of reflex of purple. So I really don't know because like I said, like you can see a purple that way and then pink. But on the swatch where my friend's going to put, you just see purple. So that's really interesting to me. But I really do like this. It glides on really beautifully. I just need to wear this more. This retails for $22. Kind of wish that we got more of like a champagne or blue, maybe a blue shade because like make waves. But it's still really pretty and I do like the formula. So not bad. The last product we have in the box is the Fab First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream. And this is to help hydrate, smooth, and recharge your skin. And this is, I'm trying to see how much, 1.7 fluid ounces. I've never tried this before. My actual moisturizer I used to use was the Clinique one. But I've been using this recently. I actually used it today. Excuse me. And I really like it. I'm trying to see what they claim. This says it is an oil-free water cream infused with skin-nourishing coconut water. It hydrocharges your skin with a burst of electrolyte-rich moisture for softer, smoother, healthier-looking skin. And this retails for $34. Now, I love the smell of vanilla and coconut. Those are my favorite scents. So when I got this, it just smells like clean, but with coconut. If that makes any sense. Like this is freaking amazing. And like I just tap my finger in and I just get product, and that's what I do. And that's like for one part of my face. But like every time I used this recently, because like I said, I'm still testing these out, like my skin just feels like hydrated. I think my skin looks somewhat smooth besides the acne and the smile lines. But other than that, my skin seems to be actually really smooth, and I don't think it's the primer that I've been using. So I've been really obsessed with this, and it's also have like kind of a tacky, not so much of a tacky feeling, but it does have that somewhat of a tackiness to it. So this with primer should really help lock on your makeup for the day. Also the packaging is just amazing. And like I said, this retails for $34. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the math. Okay, so I just added up the total, and the total for this month's box is $110.99. And like I say every time, for Boxycharm and 4 to 5 full-size products, you only pay $21 a month. I think that's just a stunning like deal to like pay. Because like I said, you're already paying way more for just the Alamar Blush Trio by itself, or the Ciate London Eye Cream by itself. You know, like it's just, it amazes me. So yeah, what I'm excited about for this month, I'm actually excited for this lip gloss. I'm actually really excited about the Ciate. I've been really getting more into color recently, so that will help me a bit. The blush palette isn't bad at all. Are they colors I would go for typically? No. But they're more like summery, so maybe this summer I'll use these. I really enjoy the coconut water cream. And the eyelash curler, this sadly wasn't my favorite. I usually like brushes and tools. But like this, like it's just an okay eyelash curler. Like it's nothing extraordinary like my Tweezerman one. But it's still something nice to get in the box, and it's really pretty. So I keep it over here because it's aesthetically pleasing to me. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this month's box. And like I said, if you want to see another variation of the box, head over to my friend's channel and you can watch me reopen my box. And you can also, like I just said, watch her and see what else is in her box. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you totally should. And like always, if y'all have any ideas that you want me to do with friends or anything, comment down below. Me and my friend actually did like somewhat of a challenge, and it was really interesting. So that I don't know when that's coming out, but it was really interesting. So yeah, I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing day wherever y'all are, and yeah, bye guys.